Hi folks, today in this video I'm going to show you how to become an enroll agent with the IRS. So please be with me. I'm going to show you how to become an enroll agent with the IRS with the step by step with the no step skips. So let's begin. So as you see that what is an enrolled agent. So definition of an enrolled agent is that a federally authorized tax practitioner empowered by the US Department of the Treasury. Unlike in CPA, CPA is licensed to do the practice in the states as per the authorized and in which states that CPA is licensed. But the enroll agent is authorized to work for all the 50 states and represent the taxpayer from all the 50 states to the IRS. And also if you will see that authorized to represent the taxpayer before the IRS for all the tax matter, like it's whether it is for the refund or whether any kind of audit or something like that. An enroll agent is liable, or you can say that authorized to represent to the IRS for all the tax matters. And third, last but not least, the thing is to recognize as a tax expert, especially in IRS related issues. So if any of the taxpayers is having issue with an taxo or the refund or something like that and want help for the filing the tax return, so enroll agent is the person to whom a taxpayer can approach for that kind of tax expert kind of facilities. And another thing is that why become an enrolled agent? What is the benefit of the becoming enrolled agent? So as the enrolled agent, unlimited representation right with the IRS. You will be having a right to represent your taxpayer to the IRS, and high demand for the tax professional. That the various kind of that IRS, that tax rules and everything is changing. So for that getting the refund from the IRS or any kind of tax issues, enroll agent is in very demand. And the third thing is that increased credibility and the earning potential, and IRS is earning much dollar uh, in IRS into the US. And no educational degree requirement, that can work independently or with and as an enroll agent you can start your own practice and you can gather the client to file the tax return. Otherwise you can work with any of the CPA firm or the big firm, whatever that you like. And the no educational degree is required to become an enroll agent. Just you need to clear the papers that we will discuss in the next slide, and that's it. And another thing is that overview of the that eligibility criteria. For example, there are two ways that you can become an enroll agent. First, pass all the three parts of the SSE, that is the Special Enrollment Examination. Once you pass all the three papers of an SSE, you will just file one of the form and you will become an enroll agent. And another path is that work for the IRS for at least 5 years. You are watching this video, I am recording this video in the year 2025. So if you are watching this video later than the 2025, there might be some changes into the rules, but for now you need to work at least for the 5 year with the IRS in a position requiring the interpretation of the tax codes. If you work for the 5 years with the IRS that needs interpretation of the tax codes, then you will be eligible to become an enroll agent. The third is that what overview of the SEC exam. So there are that special enrollment examination has total three parts. One part is the individual, second part is the business, and the third is the representation. So for the individual, you will be asked for the taxation of the individuals like the human being, and the second part B, business, is the taxation of the businesses, and the part 3, representation, that means the practices and the procedure, like how you can need to approach to an IRS and what are the how many years of the document and the due diligence and everything. And for the format, if I will say, there are 100 MCQs kind of per part, and this is administered by the Prometric Testing Centers. It is an international that testing examination that are conducting various kind of examination, that is also conducting and IRS SSC examinations. Third is that preparing for the SSC. So how to become and how to prepare that the SSE examination, that is for the enroll agent examination. So you can gather the study material like the Claim, Surgeon, Fast Forward Academy, and various IRS resources like the publication and all of those things you can refer, and you can enroll for these classes as well. And over here I will mention that if you are over here in watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so you will having so many that free videos that will coming to you, and that will help you to become an enroll agent. Also another way is join the study groups or the enroll in a preparation courses. There are so many study courses like I will give the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram group or the WhatsApp group, so you can directly connect with that group, and there will be so many information like the how to study and the few free videos, lectures that will help you to pass your SSC examination will be released over the YouTube. And another is a practice exams and the time management because in the certain period of the time you need to complete 100 MCQs. So please refer so many questions that you will see the videos on this YouTube channel. You will find so many videos that will help you to solve the MCQs as well. And also recommended 100 to 200 study hours per part, and according to the expert opinion that at least 100 to 200 hours of the study per part will be enough for completing the each part of SSC examination. Next thing is the scheduling and taking the examination, how you can appear for an examination. So you need to obtain the PT. First I will mention the link into the description for the video how you can obtain the PT, and you need to register with the Prometric. That link is given into the description of this video. You need to register with the Prometric, and Prometric is conducting an examination for the enroll agent all the round of the year except the month of the March till the May, which is the blackout period. So you can't schedule an examination between March to May. And another part is that each part must be completed within the 2 year of the passing of the first part. For example, if you are passing the first part into the, for example, let me give an example in that June 2025. So June 2025 to 26 and 27. So within a 2 year of the period, you need to complete all the 3 parts. So that 2 year period is starting from the date when you have completed your first part. So once you complete the first part, clear the first part, so you need to complete the 2 part within the 2 year from the completing of the first part. And for the maintaining of the enroll agent status, renew enroll agent status every 3 years using the form 85554, and the complete the 72 hours of the continuing education every 3 years. So you need to do that 72 hours in a 3 year period, at least 16 hours per year, and 2 hours per year must be on ethics. So you will have to complete that continuing education 2 hours only ethics, and comply with the whatever the IRS ethical standard, that circular 230 that you need to apply once you become an enrolled agent. And the last but not least tips and the resources: stay organized, be disciplined. I will say be disciplined. Once you have committed that I need to work for 2 hours or 3 hours, so you 2 hours or 3 hours for the studying, so make sure you complete all that study in a 2 hour or 3 hour per day, because that discipline will help you to complete the enrolled agent examination. And another thing is that connect with the other EAs or to join the National Association for the Enroll Agent if you have that bandwidth. Otherwise, I will give link of this the website into the link of this description, that will you can connect with that. And another thing is that the request that thank you for attention and participation watching this video. If you found this video helpful and that gives you an information, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because there are so many kind of videos like part 1, part 2 and part 3. That instead of that paying that $600 or $700 or $800 to that various classes and kind of things, you can subscribe to this channel and watch all the videos that is uploaded on this channel, that will help you to clear your enroll agent examination. So that's it for now, and see you into the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks. Bye.